Hi there, I'm Michael Madaus, ShipBob's product manager focused on direct-to-consumer orders and customization. My vision is to ensure that every merchant's direct-to-consumer orders are fulfilled with the same quality, consistency, and branding that you could expect if you were fulfilling from your own warehouse. With the support of ShipBob, our hope is that you can scale your business while leaving the fulfillment to us. For our inaugural summer release, I'm excited to announce that we've released new capabilities to not only meet customer expectations, but delight your customers and increase conversion, repeat purchase, and customer loyalty. Custom gift notes provide personalization and branding opportunities to increase loyalty and repeat purchases, and is a great way to delight your customers, especially during the upcoming peak holiday season. Gift notes will be available by request for merchants on Shopify and WooCommerce e-commerce platforms. You can drive brand recognition from the moment your order reaches your customer's door by adding your brand name to the sender label on the outside of the box on every order. Custom sender labels are brand new for summer release and available by request. We provide all merchants with the option to control your packaging and unboxing experience. Today, you're able to use your own custom boxes, and now you may also use our box algorithm to automatically add custom poly and bubble mailers to shipments. Finally, we recently rolled out a new self-serve flow and price estimator for kitting, and just released the ability to copy and edit previous kitting requests, all to maximize transparency and consistency when you want ShipBob to kit your products. You can read more about the customization suite releases below. If you're ready to get started today or want to request more information, fill out the form on this page and we'll have one of our fulfillment experts reach out.